Welcome to the weekly press briefing of the Kosovo Specialist Chambers, where we aim to provide journalists with an update on the latest developments at the court and the opportunity to ask questions. In the trial of Hashim Thaçi et al., the 5th, 6th, and 7th witnesses called by the prosecution concluded their testimonies this week. Some of the testimony was held in private session, and some of the testimony was held in public session. The decision by a trial panel to conduct parts of the proceedings in private session is taken on a case-by-case basis, and the main reason to do so is to protect the security and identity of witnesses and victims. Following the completion of the testimony of the 7th witness on Tuesday, the trial was adjourned for the week. It will resume on Monday, 12th of June at 9 a.m. In the same case, on 18th May, the trial panel granted in part a joint defense motion for the judges to take judicial notice of certain facts previously adjudicated before Kosovo courts and the ICTY. The rules allow for this to happen in order to reduce the amount of time necessary for the presentation of evidence in relation to facts that have been previously established in other proceedings. The prosecution may present evidence at trial which challenges the accuracy of the facts concerned, if they choose to do so. Also on 18 May, KSC President Ekaterina Trendafilova assigned an appeals panel to consider an appeal raised by Mr. Thaçi, Mr. Salimi, and Mr. Krasniqi regarding the trial panel's questioning of a witness. The appeals panel consists of judges Michelle Picard, Kai Ambus, and Nina Jorgensen. On 23rd May, the trial panel granted a request by the prosecution to add 5 items related to an expert witness to its list of exhibits in the trial. The items include an updated DNA forensic expert report, an updated DNA analysis concerning a named murder victim in the indictment. The prosecution's amended exhibit list is to be filed by 30th of May, 2023. In the same case, the trial panel on 17th of May ordered the continued detention of Jakub Krasniqi and Recep Salimi in separate decisions. The panel found that there continues to be a risk that Mr. Krasniqi and Mr. Salimi would obstruct the progress of proceedings or commit further crimes against those perceived as being opposed to the Kosovo Liberation Army, including witnesses who have provided or could provide evidence in the case and/or are due to appear before the specialist chambers. The trial of Piotr Shala resumes next Tuesday, 30th of May, starting at 9:30 in the morning. Finally, the Kosovo Specialist Chambers outreach team is in Kosovo this week, meeting with students and civil society in Pristina and Mitrovica. Since 2018, the outreach team has met with over 3,000 people all over Kosovo, providing information about the court, listening to people's views, and answering their questions.